Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can basically make it so that your your CapCut PC doesn't lag anymore when you edit. So for instance, you're editing and it's lagging, you're just going to select the gray area here, go to modify performance, and you need to turn on proxy. Select the lowest resolution if it's still lagging and then press save. And what it does is it makes your media's resolution have 540p. But don't worry, when you export, it's not going to be low quality, but it does that to help you sort of not lag when you edit. Also, go to menu and go to settings, go to performance, and do not click on these because you'll have some issues when you're exporting as well. You can deselect these and then you won't lag, and just remember to press save. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!